Eagles are very powerful birds of prey with excellent eyesight that feed on small mammals, birds and fish, build their nests at high altitudes, are usually monogamous and are considered a symbol of strength and freedom. Their prominent features include their large size, curved and sharp beak, powerful legs with strong talons and wide wings, with an average lifespan of 20 to 30 years in the wild. Appearance and physical characteristics. Body and wings. Very large with wide and powerful wings that can spread to more than 2 meters. In some species. Head and beak. Large head with covered feathers and a large, hook-shaped and very sharp beak for tearing flesh. Legs and claws. Yellow and muscular legs with very strong and curved talons for catching prey. Eyes. Large and very sharp, able to see details from long distances, up to 8 times that of humans. Nutrition and hunting. Diet. Carnivorous and feed on rabbits, squirrels, mice, turtles and even other birds. Hunting method, using their strong eyesight to identify prey from high altitudes and dive quickly. Reproduction and life. Monogamy, usually remain with one mate. Nesting, build large nests in high places such as cliffs and tall trees, called eyries. Egg laying, lay 1 to 3 eggs and take care of them for 42 to 44 days. Role in nature and symbolism. Ecological role. Strong predators in the ecosystem that help maintain balance. Symbolic. Symbolizes strength, freedom, courage and dominance in various cultures. Famous species and habitat. Golden eagle, with golden feathers. It lives in the mountainous and desert regions of Iran and is a skilled hunter. Sword-like eagle, found in open plains and steppes. Habitat, native to Eurasia, Africa, North and South America, and Australia, but different species live in different habitats.